Meaning of half-breed.
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 Half-breed. The term half-breed is a derogatory and offensive way to describe someone who is of mixed race or mixed ethnicity. It carries a connotation of impurity or inadequacy, suggesting that someone who is not of pure ancestry is somehow inferior. The use of this term reflects historical and ongoing discrimination against individuals who are not seen as fitting into established racial or ethnic categories. It is important to recognize the harm caused by such language and strive to use language that is respectful and inclusive of all people, regardless of their background.